So in this video, I'm going to show exactly how to add a field that's missing from a BMC Core form. And in this case, I'm beginning with BMC person because it's missing that field altogether, and I'll put it right there. So in this video, you will see how to add it exactly using the Development Studio. So starting from the Developer Studio here, BMC person doesn't have this field. Not anywhere in here. So what I need to do first is I need to add it through a BMC base element. So here you can see it's not there. Okay, so I'm gonna go to base element. So here you have two forms. One is BMC underscore person underscore, and the other one is just BMC person. It is the BMC person schema, which is actual a join. And in that join, you will see that there's ADDMIntegrationId listed under fields not in view. So you have to select this form right here in BMC base element and go into the form layout, and fields in view is going to be one of the options there. You have to have the form selected, otherwise you will not be able to see it. And from there, you can add the field into the view. So again, I'm going to show you one more time here. So go to form, add remove fields, and right here it is fields in view, which it wasn't there. So I added it here from the left. So it'll be here on the left. You click this button, it will move it to the right side, and then it will actually show up right here on the bottom. So you can take it. Actually, BMC I think puts it here in a deprecated field, so you'll have to grab it out of there and move it into the space here between supported and assigned to. So that's exactly what I did. And as you can see, if I try to refresh, and BMC base element have already done this, it will not be showing up there until I refresh the Tomcat server. So once I refresh the Tomcat server, it will be there. So ADDMIntegrationId is showing up here with the value of duplicate by ADDMID. And the reason it shows up is because I flushed the cache on the server, which is right here. This server here, we have a flush cache, okay, and then sync cache, okay. So we sync the cache, we flush the cache, okay. And this will happen actually pretty quick because I've already done this once. So once that happens, you can go back into the browser. You do not have to restart the services for the server, like right here. It just keeps running, and you will only have to do it for the base element side of it. So if you do a base element, you will have to restart the server. But for BMC person, you don't have to do it. So now if I'm going from base element to BMC person, and under general, ADDMIntegrationId is right there. So again, I didn't need to flush anything. It was just already done. And now I'm going to do a search on this particular field here. ADDMIntegrationId equals integration ID. And here it is, the value of a duplicate by ADDMID again shows up in the BMC Core person schema. And the reason this shows up because I did it in the BMC development mode, not in the overlay mode. So that's the important part here.